So I'm down in Brett Siegfried's basement. We're taking a look at it. This is an old natural draft furnace and air conditioning coil sitting on top. So we're going to look at replacing the full system. So our furnace is from 1993. First off, the basement is not a walkout, so you do have to come up and down stairs to get this guy in and out. Probably need a third guy or take it out in pieces. But make sure you have to go through finished space, so make sure to bring plenty of floor runners, tarps down to protect the floor, and just be really careful getting this guy in and out. It's barely going to fit through a door, or it's going to be right at our width. But we're going to look at going back with an 80%er. So from a venting perspective, we're going to redo our flue pipe going over here, but we do not have a flue liner. So we're going to have to drop a flue liner, put in a flue tee, and connect our water heater and furnace into that flue tee. The return drop, so we're going to replace the return drop from the top down. That dimension, it's total 87 inches from the concrete floor to the bottom of the joist. So two things. So I know our air conditioner outside, when I look at it, it's going to be at least a 4-ton. This is a 140,000 BTU furnace. We're going to be able to get a little bit size down, most likely to 120,000 BTU. But the air conditioner, when I look at it, I'm assuming it's going to be a 4-ton, but I'll be able to figure that out. But if it is a 4-ton, we have, from a return perspective, there's a lot of different returns in the house, but we only have 2 pan joists. Each one of these pan joists can only do 600 CFM, so we have a total of 1200 CFM on our return. We're going to need at least 1600. So a few things that we'll do is we need to move this return drop over so it actually hits our the full width of both pan joists. And then we're going to also look at, so all of our return, so this is all our return coming from different places here. So we're going to take an additional just 6-inch round from right here, and we're going to take that 6-inch round over and take it into just directly into our return. So that's going to give us a little bit more return on our, a little bit more CFM on our return, which will allow us to blow a little bit more air out and get a little better airflow up to the second floor. But we'll do our new furnace is going to be probably a C width, so we're going to gain probably 7 inches on the width of this furnace. So we're going to put it up on a base, and we're going to do a media filter underneath it, 5-inch media filter, and then we'll have to make a supply duct transition into our main supply here. But as you can see, the supply goes off on both sides, and then our refrigerant lines run out right there.